Hold on, Mama. Yay, Kayla. Got a pony.
Check. Check.
All right, Kayla. Got her pony. You like your pony? Yeah. Man, Ma, you're big, man. You got your own pony. Thank you, pony. Thank you, pony.
I like that one.
You like this one.
I like that one too.
You like that one too? Come on. Oh.
Can you do that boy over there?
Ah, we're done.
Please,
We're
Daddy.
done.
Please, Daddy.
No, we're done. Come on. Look, they're telling us we have to get out. Sorry.